All right, time to take a check now of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Friday. Boy, we had consistent weather this week with lots of fog and yes, low hanging clouds. You can see the mountaintops here as we take a look at our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera. Yes, the Columbia, the Methow rivers are down below, also the cities of Pateros and Brewster, and we saw a lot of that. It's an inversion all over north central Washington, and that is going to cause an air stagnation situation as we get into the next couple of days. It's cold air trapped under warm air, and that's what we've been seeing almost all of this week. Light winds, and then all of those pollutants get trapped underneath sort of that lid, and that's what we could see over the next couple of days. Probably some degraded air quality, so if you are sensitive to that, be careful if you are headed outside over the next couple of days. Today's high temperature, 39 degrees, 4 degrees above where we should be, or I should say 6 degrees above at 33 for this time of year. Our record high, 50 degrees, and that was set back in 2002. We didn't warm up much. We started off the day at 36. So a 3-degree warm up during the day today. 24 is our normal low, and our record cold 3 below zero, and that was set in 1964. Sunrise 7:41, and the sun set this afternoon at 4:10. We are 1 week away from winter, and I'll tell you what, it's not going to look much like a winter forecast. We'll get you there in a second, but tomorrow's high temperatures as we get into the weekend, a lot like today. 37 in Moses Lake and Ephrata. 38s for Quincy, Wenatchee, 37s up to Entiat and Chelan, 36 for you folks tomorrow for a high temperature in Omak. Nice day in Leavenworth and Cashmere into the mid and upper 30s. All right, tonight we can expect more of that patchy fog still under that dome of high pressure in the Pacific Northwest, but there's a large area of low pressure that's set to move north over the next couple of days, and we'll talk about how that'll affect us. Lows tonight around 30 degrees. For Saturday, morning fog, and I think that'll give way to some partly cloudy skies in the afternoon on Saturday. High temperatures in the upper 30s, and boy, just mild temperatures all over the west kicking off our weekend. For Sunday, a lot like Saturday, except a little bit cooler. Partly cloudy skies. We're getting back to more seasonal temperatures on Sunday with highs in those mid-30s. For Monday, kicking off our next work week, there's that low pressure moving onshore, and it's got some help coming in from the Gulf of Alaska. That's going to give us a lot of clouds on Monday, about a 30% chance of rain mixed with snow. High temperatures on Monday, still on the mild side in those upper 30s. For Tuesday, I think our best shot for rain. This is your morning commute on Tuesday, a 40% chance of rain and snow. Things will taper off in the afternoon for Tuesday, and that'll allow us to get to a high temperature of right around 40 degrees. For your midweek Wednesday, partly cloudy skies as things quiet down. Here's our area of low pressure as it moves south on Wednesday. We'll see some sun Wednesday afternoon, and look at those highs into the mid-40s midweek next week. And then as we get you into the end of the forecast on Thursday, high pressure anchored right over Spokane, and that will make for a nice end of our week. And also first day of winter on Thursday, and it's not going to feel much like it. Mostly cloudy with high temperatures on Thursday in those low 40s. Let's take a look now at your 7-day forecast. 30 overnight tonight. Pretty quiet weather for this weekend. 38 Saturday, 35 on Sunday. Maybe some morning fog on Saturday, and then a few showers in our forecast for Monday and Tuesday. A 30 to 40% chance to kick off next week, and then we're going to warm up by Wednesday and Thursday. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. 44 on Wednesday and 41 your high temperature on Thursday.